Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Grammarly for Google Chrome. So it's going to be quite simple. All you need to do is open up Google Chrome, and then once you guys open up Google Chrome, you just need to Google Chrome extensions, and then go to the Chrome Web Store. And then inside of here, we can look up for whatever extension we want. For our case, we want Grammarly. So we're gonna go to search the store, type in Grammarly, and it pops up as the first extension right here. So we click it, and as you guys can see, it has over 10 million users that have downloaded this app, and we can just add it to Chrome and then add extension. And then what this will do is it will download Grammarly. It might take a little second here, but once it's done downloading, it should show up in the little puzzle piece on the top right here. And then we can pin it if we want to just keep it here so we don't ever have to click in the puzzle to find it. And then once it's pinned, you guys basically need to sign up and make a quick account if you guys want to. And yeah, after that, you guys pretty much have Grammarly fully running, and it should auto check your documents and things like that that you guys want to edit. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial and have a great rest of your day. Peace out.